Hey everyone, so this is just a random video I decided to do. We're looking at an abandoned subway at Lowe's in Columbia, Missouri. It's a little bit cloudy, a little bit rainy, but not too bad. So let's take a look and see what's inside. There's like nothing in. Apparently this is an older subway because most subways these days have the brick wall textures. When I first heard about this subway, how it was inside of Lowe's, it was on Google Images when this subway is actually opened. When I came here, saw it empty, I thought, oh man. Random wheelchair. Ceiling, the old floor. Then we got the ceiling fans that I like. And subway. It's kind of making me hungry. Why are there wheelchairs in here? I don't know if you can see anything in there. Over there. Oh, now it zooms in. I think that's the kitchen area inside. Bathrooms will be back there. Yep. That's about it. Alright, hey, thank you for watching this random video. I'll see you next time. Bye.